take it to 11. No such thing as yesterday, no matter how you're living. Setting fire to the place, and all it takes is a sound to set your soul on fire. The heart is the amplifier, it's all that's required.